Greetings. Welcome to the 2 minutes Arduino challenge. Today I am going to show you how to interface PIR sensor, passive infrared sensor or pyroelectric sensor with Arduino. So this is the PIR sensor. Okay, this is the Fresnel lens. See, this is a lens. This is the Fresnel lens. And this is the sensor element which receives the IR waves, IR radiation, which receives the IR infrared, and it has got two potentiometers or trim pot. One is for the range and the other one is for the delay. There is something called delay signal, how long the signal has to stay high once it is activated. And it has got two modes. It has got a single trigger mode and re-triggerable mode. We'll be using it for using the single trigger mode. The re-trigger mode, it will be keep on again and again, it will be retain the signal. And okay, but three, it has got three pins. Okay, one, this is the VCC. See, on the other side of the PCB has mentioned it, VCC, out and ground. So once you close it, this is the ground, this is the VCC, and this is the out. Now what we will do, we will write the sketch and make the wiring as per the diagram, and will power on the Arduino. Now connections are made as per the diagram, and the output of the PIR sensor is connected to the second pin of the Arduino Uno, and LED is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino Uno. Now this is working in single trigger mode. Okay, now let me block it and see. So it's on. This is a single mode. Once you block, again it goes off. Yeah, again now if I keep on blocking it, if there is motion, then also it's not staying on. This is a single mode. Now I am changing it to repeated trigger mode. The repeated trigger mode, this is a setting for single trigger mode and repeated trigger mode. Now I am changing it to repeated trigger mode. So now it is in repeated trigger mode. Okay, now let's see. Let's check now. Does it detect the motion? If there is a movement, the output should be high, so it should stay on high. Let's see how it is. Yeah, it is staying on high. See, this is the repeated trigger mode of the PIR sensor mode. Okay, so friends, please subscribe, like and share, so that it will encourage me to make more videos for you, or simple projects and complicated projects. Thank you for watching. This is the connection diagram. PIR sensor is powered from Arduino Uno. 5 volt is connected and ground also connected. And the output of the PIR sensor, which is the yellow pin, that is connected to the second pin of the Arduino Uno. We will read this Arduino second pin. Then the LED anode is connected to the 13th pin, and ground is coming from the ground to the cathode. Cathode is connected to the ground. Now let's see the sketch. This is